back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
All right, folks, we're going green this time by. They're stacking up on the backstretch there. Bill Pritchard Jr. will lead them to the green flag here with Connor New to his outside. Green is out, and here we go. What a great launch by Bill Pritchard Jr., followed by Connor New and Harley Martin. And here comes Hunter New up the middle, trying to get the second spot. 3 wide for the lead, and New is around. Caution flag waves, and the 58 of Damian Sage is around in turn 3. Connor New in the lead. Harley Martin in second. Patrick Murphy in third. Ryder Hewitt in fourth, and rounding out the top 5 is the 002 of Sean Galden. Here we go, back to green flag racing. New assumes the lead pretty easily, but here comes Martin to this inside. He's gonna clear him off of 4. And here comes New back to the outside. Martin just cannot clear that C10 car. Another lap led for Harley Martin there. What a battle we got. And here's Patrick Murphy joining in on the fray, and New finally clears Martin. And here's Murphy ready to pounce on the 22. They touch a little bit. And the 22 is back out front just slightly. He pushes New up the track. And New somehow held on to it and reassumes the lead. Connor New settles into first, and now the battle is on for second as here's Murphy to the inside of Martin. Murphy drives it in deep, but so too does Martin. It's like we've got some smoke coming out of the 52 car there. He looks like he's got a problem. Meanwhile, Connor New continues to lead with Harley Martin in second, Patrick Murphy in third. The 002 almost touched the wall, and here is Robbie Hicks pulling it inside with the smoke rolling out of the front of that car. He is likely done for the night. Meanwhile, the 002 of Sean Galden taking the fight to the 3 here for 4th spot. The top 3 hold serve so far, as the fight is still on for 4th between Galden and Hewitt. Hewitt goes high, Galden goes low. Halfway to the checkers here, guys, halfway to the checkers. And it's still Connor New showing the way over Harley Martin, but Harley is gaining on him just a slight bit. And we've got a spinner in turn 2, a spinner in turn 2. Caution is out. Here we go. We're going back to green. Single file restart. Connor New in first. Harley Martin in second. Patrick Murphy in third. Here we go. Let's finish this thing. New gets a pretty good jump over Martin. Martin goes high. New goes low. And here's Murphy. He's trying to get to the inside. Back down the back straightaway. Martin tries the high side. Doesn't have the bite. And Murphy slips. And here comes Hewitt to his inside. Connor New settles into the lead, but here comes Martin with a huge run down the back straightaway, and he just cannot get close enough to complete it. Just can't get there. Meanwhile, here comes Sean Galden in the 002. Looking for that 4th spot still. He has been working on Hewitt this entire race. Here he comes. He's got a little bit of fight. He might clear him. No, can't do it. Meanwhile, up front, Connor New continues to hold off Harley Martin. And here's Damian Sage trying to make a run towards the top 5. He was around on lap 1. Billy Klein in the 69 looking around the 12 here. Meanwhile, Martin draws ever so closer to Connor New. New just trying to hang on here. Connor New drives it in deep. Martin just cannot get a run on that high side. He's got to follow him for now. Meanwhile, back in the back with 2 laps to go. White flag is out. Connor New continues to lead. Hewitt's trying to fend off Sage and Galden here. Can he hold on to that 4th spot? Checkers are out. Here comes Connor New. He wins the Sport Mod feature for the night. Harley Martin 2nd, Patrick Murphy 3rd, and 4th, Hewitt holds on. 002 of Sean Galden in 5th. 6th, Damian Sage. 7th, Noah Johnson. And 8th was Billy Klein. Bringing it home 9th is Larry Wolford. Robbie Hicks in 10th. Bill Pritchard Jr. in 11th. And Hunter New in 12th. All right, let's kick it down to Boyd Cat Victory Lane, where Chris will be with Connor New in just a few minutes. Enduros to the chute. Enduros to the chute.
As he makes his way out, let's make some noise for your Sport Mod feature winner in the C10, Connor New. Connor, you drove a great race. Obviously, the first couple laps there took several people out, including Hunter and Bill Pritchard, the guys that were running up front with you initially. But I tell you what, Harley Martin made a run for it as well.
Yeah, we got very lucky there. You know, I was leading right here off of 4, and it popped out of gear, and somehow I got it back in high and got it back rolling. I would just like to thank Randy for giving us a awesome place to race. We was able to race all over this thing. Just thank everybody, all of our sponsors, and all my family for all the hard work they do for me.
When you felt a little bit of raindrops coming down there, did you think you had to change your strategy or your line any at all?
I was just trying to, under reality there, I was just trying to make sure there wasn't no like slick spots or, wet spots that I needed to avoid. And, luckily it held off there, and we was able to get the race in.
Congratulations, Connor. You got anybody you want to thank tonight, buddy?
I want to give this one up for my buddy Mo. I hate to see him go. But just like I said, all my sponsors, all my family, and I just want to thank God.
One more time, let's give it up for your feature winner in the Sport Mod division. In the C10, Connor New.
All right, folks. We're going to get ready to do some enduro racing. For those who are still here, man, thanks for hanging out with us tonight. the Fast Family Fun Complex here at Beckley Motor Speedway.